What's the meaning of codger? Codger. Codger.
Codger. Codger. A codger is a term that is used to describe an elderly man, who is often seen as eccentric or cranky. The term is typically used in a somewhat affectionate way, rather than being intended as an insult. A codger will often have their own ways of doing things and may resist change or modernization. They are often seen as figures of wisdom due to their life experience, but also as a bit outdated or behind the times. Overall, a codger is a unique and interesting character with many quirks and stories to share.